Short press the power button to turn on the boat. Long press the handset power button to turn on the handset. Wait for the signal connection and check the satellite count on the handset. More satellites provide better stability. Short press the handset power button to turn the boat lights on or off. Long press the waypoint button and the action button to start compass calibration. The boat will rotate automatically during calibration. Long press the bait release button to release the bait. Short press the joystick to set home point. Short press enter to confirm. Long press the handset joystick to return to the home point. Long press enter to exit electronic anchor. During the return to home process, long press enter to cancel the mission. Press the waypoint button and then press to select waypoint name. Press enter button to set waypoint A, select a point and press action button to start. Long press enter to exit electronic anchor. Double press the power button to enter the menu settings. Find custom key function and select electronic anchor. Long press the custom button to activate the electronic anchor. Long press enter to exit the electronic anchor. Double press the power button to enter the menu settings. Find custom key function and select cruise control. Long press the custom button to activate the cruise control function. Push the joystick down to exit the cruise control. Fix the deviation. Please refer to the separate video tutorial. The trigger button is located on the back of the handset. Double press the power button to open the menu settings. Find key sign and enter. Select no function. Double pressing the trigger will do nothing. Select mark point. Double pressing the trigger will save the current point. The point will sync to the app. Select speed mode. Double pressing the trigger will switch between 3 different speed modes. Setup menu. Double press the power button to enter the menu page. Rotate the joystick 1 full circle. Press enter to exit when finished. Speed mode. Select different speed modes to change the boat's cruising speed. Pairing mode. The boat and the handset are paired originally and do not require any changes to the pairing mode. If repairing is required, find the boat's device ID. After powering on the boat, open your phone's Wi-Fi list and look for. The asterisk part represents the device ID of each boat. Press enter to confirm. If you want to cancel pairing, press and hold the enter button. Communication method. You can switch between 2 connection methods. The connection method of the handset and the app must remain consistent. Custom key function. Assign a function to the custom key. Key sign. Please refer to the detailed explanation at the beginning of the video. Task point settings. Save point. You can choose whether to save the points used during operation. If save is selected, the points will remain available after the device is powered off. If not save is selected, the points will not be retained after the device is powered off. Quantity option. You can choose to display 2 points or 4 points. After setting, the selected points can be viewed on the main page. Only 2 or 4 points will be stored on the handset. Delete option. You can choose to delete a specific saved point or delete all saved points. Select Delete Point A. Point A will be deleted. Electronic anchor. Turning electronic anchor on or off determines whether it will automatically activate after an automatic task ends. Auto cruise. Dialog size. Versions. Language. Reset. Exit.